Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and warm greetings to everyone. Honorable Rector, respected lecture staff, and my fellow students, let us thank Almighty God for His blessing that allow us to gather here in good health. Dear audience, university is a place for learning and building the future. Yet, cigarette smoke is still found in several areas of our campus, which should be a clean and healthy environment. Therefore, I would like to emphasize the importance of enforcing a smoke-free campus policy. First, from a health perspective, smoking contains harmful substances that endanger both active and passive smokers. My students are explained to smoke in public areas such as canteens or parks. Second, for an ethical perspective, everyone has the right to breathe clean air. Smoking in public areas disturbs others and violates mutual comfort. As an academic community, we must respect each other's rights. Third, in terms of education and character, the university is not only a place to study but also to shape discipline and healthy habits. A smoke-free policy helps build positive behavior among students. Therefore, let us all support the creation of a smoke-free campus. Smokers should follow the rules and use designated areas. Non-smokers should leave politely. Remind others about the policy. Campus authorities should enforce regulation and assist those who wish to quit smoking. With awareness and cooperation, we can create a healthier, cleaner, and more comfortable academic environment. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, I will explain question word. A word used to ask something or seek information and always ends with a question mark. This word is used to form interrogative sentence whose purpose is to obtain an answer in the form of information, explanation, or statement. Learning objective. Understand the function of question word to ask for information about objects, action, plans, times, causes, whys, and quantities. Be able to identify and construct question correctly and improve effective communication skills in everyday and formal situations. Definition. An interrogative sentence is a sentence used to ask questions to obtain information or clarification, such as about object, people, plans, time, or quantities. Sentences that use interrogative sentence are called interrogative sentence and always end with a question mark. Characteristic. Use of question words. Use words such as what, who, when, where, why, how, and how many to ask for information. Question mark always followed by the question mark at the end of a written sentence. Position. generally placed at the beginning of an interrogative sentence but can also be placed in the middle or end of a sentence. Intonation. In conversation, intonation tends to rise at the end of a sentence. Functions. The main functions of question word is to ask questions to get certain information from the person you are talking to or the reader, such as identity, cause, method, time, place, or amount. Types. Number 1, what. Number 2, who. Number 3, where. Number 4, when. Number 5, why. Number 6, how. Number 7, how many or how much. What? Asking about objects, situation, condition, or action. Example, what are you doing? Who? Ask about a person or subject. Example, who came to the event? Where? Asking about a place or location. Example, where is your house? When? Asking about the time and event occurred. Example, when are you leaving? Why? Used to ask about reasons. Example, why are you late? How? Asking about a method, situation, or process. Example, how do you make this cake? How much? Asking about quantity, amount, or units. Example, how much does this book cost? Complex question process. Complex questions are questions that contain hidden presuppositions or ask more than one question at a time. Characteristic of complex question. One, complex presuppositions. Number 2, contain multiple questions. Number 3, trap the respondents. Example, what course do you and your husband attend? Presuppositions. You are a wife, you have a husband, and you attend course. Writing rules. The correct way to write questions is to use question words like what, who, when, where, why, and how at the beginning of the sentence and end it with a question mark. For formal situation, the prefix kah can be added to the end of question word. For example, what header who. The word where must be written separately from the because mana is a pronoun. Examples of correct question words. What? What did you do today? Who? What is your homeroom teacher's name? When? When will the event start? Where? Where do you live? Why? Why are you late? How? How do you make that cake? How much? How much does that book cost? Conclusion. Interrogative words are elements that form interrogative sentences which fundamentally function to elicit an answer from the other person, whether through a direct response, confirmation, or simply theoretic interrogative word.